Hello from Gardening at Douentza, and at the moment I'm in the south of France near the town of Béziers, and today we're going to look at a wonderful Mediterranean garden in the small town of Roquebrun. So come with me and let's have a look at what we will find there, and I'm expecting lots of glorious succulents and cactuses and maybe a little bit more besides. So I'm just walking up this hill to get to the exotic garden, or the Mediterranean garden, and I've passed by this house, and isn't just amazing? So pretty. Even upstairs you can see that there are little baskets there with succulents in. I just had to switch off the camera there for a minute because the owner came along and she was all smiles. People are very friendly around this part of France, and not a bother on her that I was filming her house, but I should probably not overstay my welcome. So we originally tried to drive up here, but I started freaking out and, and my husband abandoned the car, so we're walking up, which I think is a much better idea. That's my family messing with the water. Hello. Well done, Sam.
Thank you.
There are a lot of prickly ones here.
Oh, look how it piquant.
There's a heady scent of herbs in the air, thyme, rosemary, and it's really hot. The sun is beating down. Very steep. So, as you can see, this garden is built on the side of a cliff, and they've cleverly introduced a lot of steps made from the stone found on the site, because otherwise there'd be no way to actually navigate such a steep slopey site. And it's just beautiful what they've done with it.